Yan. So, ito yung aming community. Yes. For the vlog today. Because maaga kami nakauwi. Ooh. Best ng bayan. So, ganito yung mga units here. And then, this is the carport. So, mapapansin nyo, halos lahat na lang charging station yung mga parking. Because most of them are electric. Ooh. This is our neighbors. Hi, neighbors. So, dun kami sa Unit 86R. So, there you go. Tada! I think this is olive. Olive ba or cherry? Not sure. Then, parang siyang cherry blossom. Kinda. Yeah. And then, friends playing here. That's our unit. On the 3rd floor. 86R. So, our neighbors. So, ayan guys. Meow! 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 Punta kami sa playground. May stone path. Stone path. Ito stone path. Sundan lang daw yung stone path. So, nag-explore kami ngayon ni Ate Phoebe. Kasi,
kami si Dora the Explorer.
Maaga kaming nakauwi at wala pa yung host namin sa bahay. So, yan. Pero, pauwi na rin sila. Follow the stone path. Oh my gosh. Nawala yung stone path. Ay, yun. Woo!
Ayun, makita dun.
We're exploring our place. So, siguro dito na yun. Siguro. Yeah, this is another gate. Parang other side siya, no? Umikot lang tayo. Hindi ko din alam. Hindi, iba to.
Iba to, mas.
Iba to. So, yun. Hindi ko pa rin mahanap.
Yun lang din daw ba?
Yeah. Maybe this one. May swing nga. Ang cute. Ang cute ng player. Ito pala. Tambayan. So, mayroon siyang mga bench.
Ito nga siguro.
Yeah.
Ang bahay.
So, yun. Pare-parehas yung mga tsura ng houses here. Yeah. Okay. By the way, time check. It's 8:13 in the evening. And the sun is still up and shining. Yan. Yan guys. Ang gusto ko mag-swing dun. Mag-swing. So, bye!